puppy room. Look at them move. And I guess they're eating already. Come here, Louie. Let's show you your mama, okay? I can pick you up. Louie found a home this weekend, didn't you? Huh? You're so cute. And I think, are you Judy's dog? I can't tell. I'll tell here in a couple of days. I know. Oh, sorry. Oh, what are you doing? Huh? What you doing, Spike? Huh? What you doing? Huh? Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. I know this isn't a very good picture, but I'll get more on my day off. He's like licking me, huh? Whoa, you're a big one. Whoa, you're a girl. I think. Yeah, I think. Are you Judy's? I'm so bad. But you are